Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
From the SEIS dashboard, locate the follow-up box. Locate the Unsigned Amendments notification. The user can navigate to the Unsigned Amendments in 3 ways. Click on the bar graph, colored dot, or text. This shows a list of students with amendments affirmed with parent signature marked No. Click on the View Amendment icon. Go to the signature box and click on the pencil to edit. Enter the date of parent's signature. Select Yes for the meeting signed. Click the green Update button.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.